So today we are going to be creating cyanotypes, and I have a cyanotype kit that has everything that you need all in one kit, which is awesome. So we'll go through that in a second. We're going to create the cyanotypes with feathers. These were all found feathers that I found around my neighborhood while walking. And then we're going to also do an image where I inverted the image and then had it printed on transparency at my local print shop. This is an image of my rabbit, my beloved rabbit. We're going to do two different ways where we rinse them with water and one where we rinse them with hydrogen peroxide so we can see if it gets a deeper blue with the hydrogen peroxide. And then this kit comes with paper, and then I'm also going to supplement with some watercolor paper that I have. So before we get started, I'm going to share with you all of the tools that we need, which basically all come in this kit, which is awesome. And if you don't want to have to search for this kit yourself, I put a link to it below. So there's solution A and solution B, and you fill the solution with water and let it sit for 24 hours. So I already filled the solution yesterday, so it's already been sitting for 24 hours. So this is now liquid form. And then you take equal parts of A and B. So 1 full cup of A, 1 full cup of B, and then pour each into one bowl to where they mix together. Then there's the brush, and this brush has been used, so you're not seeing it brand new. But I like this type of brush because it gives it that kind of rougher paintbrush edge. Some people like the sponge brushes. That's going to give you like a cleaner, not the like rougher edge. You can also, if you want, draw on transparency with a marker, so it comes with that. Let's see, and then the other thing you're going to need some clips, so these type of clips, and then you're going to need a board and glass. So you can just take a frame and take the frame apart and you'll have a board and glass. But I like that this kit comes with the exact size that you need for the paper that it comes with too. I think that that's awesome. And so the kit comes with transparency, which is what you can draw on with the marker. So if you want to like do your signature or do I love you or, you know, whatever type of drawing you want, and then the paper. So that is pretty much everything the kit comes with. It also comes with all of the instructions that you need, which is super nice. You don't have to like look up my video on YouTube. You can literally just look at the instructions here. And if you're wanting to do a transparency image where you invert the image, but you don't have Photoshop or Lightroom or something like that, this kit comes with a QR code that you scan with your phone, and it will help you through that part. So let's get started on creating the cyanotypes.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars,